Greeting the guests, welcome on board AirAsia Flight AK6418 to Penang. The commander of this flight is Captain Bash, assisted by Senior First Officer Timothy, and my name is Mudrika, your senior cabin crew. This flight will take 1 hour and 10 minutes. For your safety, put your seat upright, ensure that your seatbelt securely fastened, store your tray table and open your window shade. Usage of electronic devices is not allowed during taxi out or departure. Mobile phone, tablet and e-readers may only be used in flight mode after takeoff. Laptop must be stored during taxi and takeoff and may only be used once the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. Smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited. E-cigarette are to be switched off and batteries must be removed. The charging and usage of e-cigarette are strictly prohibited on board the aircraft. Please keep an eye on your personal belongings and inform the crew members if you notice anything unusual. If you need any assistance, please call us. Dear guests, thanks to your support, we are still the world's best low-cost airline for the 14 years running. Meanwhile, sit back, relax and enjoy the flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is forbidden anywhere on the aircraft, including the toilets and in the aisles. Smoking in the toilets will trigger an alarm and may result in a fine. Thank you for your cooperation.
Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, izinkan kami mengingatkan anda bahawa merokok adalah dilarang sama sekali di dalam penerbangan ini, termasuk tandas dan juga lorong tengah pesawat. Merokok di dalam tandas akan menyebabkan penggera kebakaran berbunyi dan anda boleh didakwa. Terima kasih di atas kerjasama anda.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. As your safety is our concern and the safety features may differ from other aircraft, we ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on when in contact with water, and here's a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now, bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of this safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Thank you for your attention.
This is an important announcement. In case of loss of cabin pressure, you must remove your face mask before using the cabin oxygen mask. Ini adalah pengumuman penting. Jika tekanan di dalam kabin rendah, tanggalkan topi muka sebelum menyalon corong oksigen. For takeoff. As the seatbelt sign is now off for your safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartment. Thank you. Para tamu yang dihormati, tanda isyarat pasangkan tali kereta baru sahaja dipadamkan. Untuk keselamatan, anda dinasihatkan memasang tali kereta semasa berada di tempat duduk dan berhati-hati ketika membuka ruang penyimpanan di atas syurga seat.